during the installation of high-brightness TFT LCD modules. Many users tend to pull the backlight cable, repeatedly unplug connectors, or leave the backlight wire under constant stress. However, many people don't realize that these operations can easily cause solder joint failure, insulation damage, or even internal copper wire breakage. As a result, the display may experience backlight flickering, unstable connections, or even complete device failure and costly repairs. To reduce the impact of improper installation on display reliability, ChengHao uses high-power, high-strength wire harnesses as the standard backlight cables for all TFT LCD modules. In addition, the connection area between the backlight wire and the module is reinforced with extra soldering for improved durability and stability. According to our laboratory testing, the backlight cable of our display modules can withstand a pulling force of up to 53.5 newtons. This means that even if the cable experiences pulling or external stress during installation, the backlight connection can still remain stable and reliable. If you are interested in our TFT LCD display modules, please visit the website shown at the end of this video to contact us. Thank you for watching.